Here's tonight homework on chapter 3.1. It's day 2. The review part is important because it's for the test. Now, determine the rate. The rate is just rise over run. So if you just do rise over run from any point, let's start this point. We want to end up in this point right here. So we rise from 15 to it's increasing of 3, so this is 30. 15 to 30, so it's rising 15. So rise 15 and run from 2 to 4. So it runs 2, run over 2. Thank you. So your rise over run is 15 over 2. What does that mean? That means you get 15 rolls for 2 cups. Okay. Oh, 15 rolls for 2 cups. Okay. Determine the unit rate of change. Unit means 1. So 15 divided by 2, you should see at 7.5 rolls for 1 cup. So this is 7.5 rolls for 1 cup. That doesn't make sense. You can't make a 7.5 rolls. So this round 2, you need to throw away that half of a roll.
Or make a
so 7 rolls. Sorry, 7 rolls for 1 cup. This is why we use that perfect example to determine why it's easier to determine the rate of change instead of unit rate. Unit rate, on some things you can't use decimals. So in this case, why is it easier to use rate of change? Rate of change, you make whole numbers, whole rolls, and you don't have to think about, can it make half? Should you use half or should you use not? So most people, we don't use unit rate, we use rate of change, because rate of change is easier because we're dealing with whole numbers, or working with whole numbers. And if you round this and you didn't know that it's 7.5 and you do 2 cups, you'd think it makes 14, and that would be an incorrect information. So unit rate is not always accurate, basically, where rate of change is easier because we're working with whole numbers. And unit rate sometimes work with fractions, or in this case decimal, work with decimal, and it's not accurate, and it's not always accurate. In this case, in this example, 7 rolls is not accurate. We had a round because you can't have half of a roll. Okay, now the next one, label 2 points on a graph to determine the rate of change. Write the rate of change in the format rise over run and as a unit rate. Okay, so here you need to put your dots on where it would be whole numbers, correct?
Yeah.
So where would you put the dot out? 24, 6?
Oh, wait.
624? Or?
Oh, wait, I mean 36. 636.
636. 6 all the way up to 36. And where else? You can put it anywhere, and you can always
Wait.
rate of change. Huh? You can always reduce it.
Alondra Beltran, please come to the front office. Alondra Beltran, please come to the front office. Thank you.
1060. So that is the unit rate of change is from 36 to 60, which is 24, right? 24. And over from 6 to 10, that's over 4. You went over 4. 26 over 4, that is a rate of change. Okay? That is your rate of change. Your unit rate your unit rate is divide them, and it'd be 6 over 1. What does that mean? Does it ask for what it means? No. That means 6 feet in 1 minute, or 24 feet in 4 minutes. Okay? Here, where would you want your
412.
412? That's a good spot. And where else?
236.
236. Perfect. Okay, our rate of change in this case is going down. Went down, right? So that has to be a negative. Went down from 36 to 12. 36 minus 12 is 24. Down 24. And over 2 to 4. 2 to 4 down over 2. That gives you, that's your rate of change. Okay, your unit rate is what?
Negative 12.
Negative 12 over. Rate is negative 12 over 1. That means you go down in meters 12 feet in every second. 12 feet in every second. Okay, down 12 feet in every second. Therefore, you go down 24 feet in every 2 seconds. Okay. Let's do this one here. There's 2 ways to do this. You can get rid of the fraction. Did you want to get rid of the fraction or just add 5 to both sides? Add 5. Add 5 to both sides. That gives you 5 and 5 over 6 equals to 2 over 3. This is times. Okay. Now the opposite of times is divide. So you would divide by, the opposite of times is divide. So you would divide by 2 over 3, right? Divide by 2 over 3. That cancels that out. Okay, when you divide, you keep the first one, that's 35 over 6. Change this to a times and flip the second. Like that. Right? Or you can skip this step and know that you just multiply by its reciprocal. Okay? Do you understand why we multiply by its reciprocal? Because when you divide, you take the reciprocal. Okay, cross cancel. Is there any way?
Yes, 3 and 6.
3 and 6. That's 1 and 3, right?
2.
Oh, thank you. 1 and 2. Oh my goodness. So your answer is x equals to 35 over 4 or 8 and 3 over 4. Because 35 divided by 4, 8 times, remainder 3. So 8 remainder 3. It's your remainder here. Okay? Got it? Hey, Tiffany, I got your name on here. Tiffany is joining a gym. She's looking into 2 different gyms by her house. Get Fit, okay, there's Get Fit. Advertise a $20 per month and a $99 initiation fee. An is a plus, per is times, so it's 20 times M plus $99 in initiation fee. While work it out, advertise $30 per means times month, so times the number of month, and initiation fee, and is plus $50 in initiation. Okay, write an equation for each company. Okay, so first of all, get fit. Equation for get fit would be 20M plus $99 equals the total cost. Where work it out is $30 per month times the number of month plus $50. And an equation has to have equal to t for total cost. Okay? And then this one should be easy. You input here 20 times 8 plus 99. Okay, do the work. Okay, 20 times 8 plus 99. 160 plus 99 is 159. Total is 159. 2 months.
259.
Oh, 259. Thank you. Okay, so you get 20 times 2 plus 99. It's 40 plus 99 is 139. Okay, and then you get 20 times 6 plus 99. 120 plus 99 is 100.
It's 219.
I mean 200. Thank you. Why am I saying 100 each time? $219. Okay, next one is 20 times 12 plus 99. That's 042. 240 plus 99 gets you $339 for 12 months. Not bad for a gym membership. 12 times 4 plus 99, that's 48 plus 99.
It's 20 times 4.
Oh, why did I change to 12? My goodness. I do what you guys do. 80 plus 99 equals to $179. Okay. Now, work it out. Work it out. Work it out is 30 times the number of months plus 50 equals to the total cost. That's 240 plus 50 is 290. Hot. 8 get fit is cheaper. Let's see. At 2, who's cheaper? 30 times 2 plus 50. That's 60 plus 50 is 110. Oh, it's cheaper at 2. Work it out. Okay. 30 times 6 plus 50. 180 plus 50 is $230. Oh, it's more expensive. So $230. So it's more expensive at 6. Uh-oh. That looks like 1,000 something. Like that. 230. Okay. 30 times 12 plus 50 equals, that's 100.
Fail. I'm sorry.
Okay, that is 063 plus 50. $410, right? Alrighty. Hate doing this. I get so tired. 30 times 4 plus 5. That's 100 plus 50. Aha. It's cheaper. 170. Oh, look how close that is. So maybe it's 2. It's cheaper when it's lower for work it out. If you don't go as many months, it's cheaper to use work it out. If you go a lot, by the table, more than 4, it's best to get fit. Okay, so here we need to label this graph. Okay, label, this is the answer, the y. Right here is the answer, which is the total cost. And on the bottom side is number of months. Okay. Now we need to number them. Well, in order to number them, we need to take the lowest here, or the highest here. 12. Do we have enough for 12? Is there enough box for 12, you guys? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
14.
So we can use an interval of 1 for the number of months, right? Now, for total cost, what is the highest amount? 410? 410. So divided by, is there 14 square?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you guys get when you divide 410 divided by 14 little squares? Do you see how we find the interval? We divide it. What do you guys get?
I think she should do 30 because it comes out to 29 point blah blah blah.
You should do 30. Is it 30 easy to count?
Yeah.
You find 30 to be easy?
30,
Yeah.
60.
90, 120. We can do by 30, but I rather do 50. I can count even faster. But 30 is good. Yeah, 30 is fine. I mean, we can do 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210. I'm more likely to make mistakes, though. Let me double check. 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, plus another 30 is 210, 240, 270, 300, 330,
Why do I suck at this?
360, 390, and 420.
I was about to say, oh my God.
Very close, isn't it? Okay, let's graph that. But you can do by 50s. I mean, most students will do by 50s.
Oh, I hate you.
Do you know how to do the interval, Alejandra?
Yeah, you have to do
Wait,
like,
no, I'm restarting this. I am restarting this.
How many square there are? Okay, the first ordered pair is 8. I'm going to write it here. 8 and 259. And then the next one, so I don't have to go back and forth. 2 and 139. And then 6 and 219. 12 and 3, 9. 4, 179. Okay. 8. I go up to 259. 240. 250 is right here. So, no. 260 is
there.
it's divided in half, huh? I mean, it's divided into thirds. 250, 260, 270.
So almost 260.
Yeah, right there. Come on, erase. Erase the excess. There we go. And then the next one is 2 and 39. Right there, right? 2 and 139. Oh my God, 2 and 39. 2 and 139.
That's on the one.
Closer to 250, right? Right there?
It's on the one.
I'm on the one. I'm going to sleep. Oh my God. 2 and right there?
Yeah, right there.
Close enough, huh?
Yeah.
6 and 2. Is that 219 or 215?
219.
219. 6 and 219. Right there. Not in the middle though, right?
Nope.
It's a little low. It should be a little low. $12 and 339. Right there. And then 4 and 179. Close to 180. Okay. Total cost, number of months. I would connect this dot because months can be turned into seconds and days and seconds and hours. Okay. Let's do the other one. This takes a while, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Graphing. 8 and 290. Puts me to sleep. 2 and 210. I mean 2 and 110.
Yeah, that's really why I hate graphing. It takes a long time, it's bothersome, and
6 and 230.
Oh, I made it in a straight line. I feel so
And 12 and 410. Okay, guys. 4 and 170. All right. Okay, let's do it red. 8 and 290. 8 and 290 is past 270 up here. No, it is more expensive, so it's up further. 2 and 110. 6 and 230. Ooh, look how close those two are. 12 and 410. Okay, 6 and
fix that.
6. 12 and 240. Oops, not even straight. Oh well. 410. Right there. And the last one is 4 and 170. It doesn't cross at 4, does it?
No.
Almost.
For me, crosses at 5.
Cross about 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, close to 5. Not exactly 5, but close to it.
I feel so accomplished. I drew them in straight lines.
So,
I'm proud of you.
what does the intersection of the two graph mean? That's important. I think I'm going to put this on your test.
Yeah.
What does the intersection of the two graph mean? What does it mean? It means that the company charges the two company will charge the same amount for the same amount of months, right? So the intersection means that the two company will charge, let's estimate, will charge how much? Is it 200 yet? $200. Let's say we'll charge $200 for a total of how many? For about 5 months, right? We'll charge about $200 because we're rounding. For 5 months. For about 5 months, because it's not exactly 5 months. For about 5 months. So it doesn't matter who she chooses. At 5 months. Right? Because they charge the same, so it doesn't matter who. Okay, then the question asks, who's cheaper before the intersection? Who's cheaper? The green line. What's the green line? Work it out.
Oh, down, yeah, work it out.
So work it out is cheaper because it's below. You see that? Below the get fit, right? So it's cheaper anywhere on here because the other one's on top. Then price, the top one are the more expensive. So before it, who's cheaper?
No.
Before the intersection, work it out is cheaper. For example, at 3 months, work it out, only charge, let's see, 3 months, charge about $140. Okay, while Get Fit charges about $160. Okay, so you always want to give examples to support your statement. Okay, now the other question is, who's cheaper after the intersection? Well, let's see who's below. So afterward, start out with work it out, then Get Fit is at below, so Get Fit is cheaper after the intersection. Get Fit is cheaper after the intersection. For example, okay, let's see. I need to redraw this line. For example, at did I mess up on my numbering here? Look. Oh, this is 9. I put 6. Scare me. Okay, at 9. 9 get fit is about 270. For example, at 9 months, get fit charges 270, while work it out charges 320, about 320. That's it. That's a long one, huh?
Green one.
Oh, my arm hurts.
On explaining it.
And then you have to do number 3.
Okay, number 3. Oh, number 3 is easy because there's
Yeah.
very few boxes, huh? Right?
Mm-hmm.
So we can put 4 here. What do you want Tiffany to put here?
I'm not Tiffany.
Oh, Trinity. I'm sorry.
She saw Tiffany at the beginning.
Let's put 2.
4. So that gives us, we always do this first, okay?
4.
So 4 parentheses x minus 2. That gives us 4x minus 8, right?
Nothing on the screen. Okay, there we go.
Oh, what happened?
It didn't show up.
Oh, it's delayed.
Probably a lag.
Okay, so now we can know what to put here, right? After we distribute, we know no solution. What has to be different?
The second box.
The constant. It's called the constant has to be different, right?
Yeah.
Constant is different for the coefficient has to be the same. So this 4x, that needs to be 4. There's no changing that.
3.
Okay, and then this is easy. On this one, we can put anything we want, right?
7.
7,
Yeah.
3. Okay, 3 is good too. Doesn't matter. So we got it, and we prove it by solving it. Okay, negative 8 does not equal to 3. That's no solution. Now, one solution. Now, on the test, I'm going to have you do that, and I'm going to have you choose one. Choose no solution or infinitely many. Put in numbers and
I like
explain
no
why.
solution.
Wait, can we do
Yeah,
both
no
for-
solution is
Can we do both for extra credit?
no.
Aww.
Need to read the
Can we
direction.
do it for fun?
You can do it for fun, but no.
I
It's
did it.
easy, huh? Now these are easy, I think.
Yeah.
I know, they're so easy.
Yeah, now, okay, let's see. One solution is what? I'll put an extra credit question.
7.
Maybe. 7?
Yeah.
Seven
No, wait,
is good.
3.
3? Okay, 3. Can we use the same number if we want? Can we use 4 again?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just, you want to use 4 again?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, use 3. Okay, we'll use 3.
3.
3x minus 2. Oh, that graph one was long, huh?
Yeah.
It tired me out.
Me too.
Oh my
Just
gosh.
like watching a video and doing
Actually,
it.
it's pretty
oh, you don't have to do
boring.
anything else anymore because that tired me.
It does. I mean, this is not. I woke up with this one. That graphing went on and on. Oh my gosh. Okay, we can stop here, right?
Yep.
Stop here and decide. So for it to be infinitely many, what do we know about the coefficient and the constant?
The constants have to be
The same, and the
coefficients have to be different.
No, they all have to be. Both of them have to be the same.
Wait, I thought that was for infinitely many.
Yeah, we're one. Oh, one solution. I didn't read. This says one solution, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so the coefficient has to be what?
Different.
Different. This cannot be the same. This cannot be the same in order for us to solve.
Yeah. You have to solve for x.
Yeah, you have to solve for x. So it can be anything. What do you guys want it to be?
4.
Four?
I was thinking that it was going to be infinite.
Yeah, me too. I was like, ooh, I didn't read 4x. So it has to be different. The coefficient has to be different, and it can be anything for a constant. You can make up anything
3
for
plus a negative 6.
plus a negative 6.
Yeah.
That's a negative 6 plus a like that.
Yeah.
You want it to be a negative 6?
Because you have to get rid of the constant.
No, you don't have to. The constant can
Oh.
be anything.
Oh,
You're
I
solving
just
for
like it
one
like that.
answer. So you can put it anything you want.
I just like
If you want to put a -6, you have to solve this. It's easier if it's both of them were different.
Oh.
Yeah, it's easier if they're. Let's put it the same though.
Oh.
You minus 3x, you minus the smaller variable, right? Always minus. You get -6 equals to x plus a -6. So which one would you get rid of now? -6, right? So you add 6, add 6. That gives you a 0 here equals to x. So what is our answer?
0.
X is 0. That's one solution. Maybe I should do that. Make one no solution and make one solution.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Trick people.
Yeah.
See how many think that it's infinitely many.
Well, maybe
And
I'll
the
make
people that don't watch the video
I'll
will
make
know.
one no solution and then another one right below it, one solution.
Wait,
See who can get it. That's what I'll do.
What's it called? Trim this because they might hear it.
That's okay.
They'd be like, wow, this is class.
Okay,
This
we're
is how
good,
she'll
right?
know who
Is that
watches
it?
the videos and who doesn't.